I dream to explore the many experiences and overcome difficult trials. I must build my allowance, find ways to achieve income, and contribute to the family to reach my dreams.
Being an IT leader would open a door to a lot of opportunities. It would also help an individual increase their skill in technology, which the modern world revolves around. It is also a great way to make friends, learn from their experiences, and improve not just your skill, but as an individual as well. Being an IT leader is not always about being the best, but also the leadership and teamwork toward a success.